In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the navigation pane is not showing on your window. So let's get started. Just make a right click at the start button and select File Explorer in the list of options to open the File Explorer window. And as you can see on the left pane of this window, we cannot access into the navigation pane and this is not showing. So we can't directly access into our downloads, pictures, and only the drives are shown in here. So look at the options at the top. You'll find sort, view, and these three dots. You'll find layout and view options. Click on the drop down and here you'll find show. And then, okay, click on the compact view. And again, click on this drop down, click on show. And here you'll find navigation pane. Show or hide navigation pane. Okay, so to enable it, simply check this box and that's it. Okay, the navigation pane is now showing on your windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.